wheel number 3 on the Porsche. Got some minor curb rash down at the bottom right corner. The top is where the major curb rash is. This one I'm going to hit with the 50 grit again. Some more over here. That's about it on this one. But right there is the part that's going to be the hardest part. Let me get set up. While I'm doing that, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel, I will start working on this in just a minute. I'm going to start up here at the top because these are the only spots I need to use the 50 grit disc on, and then everything else will come out with the red disc. There is a little bit more damage at the very bottom. That's also going to come out with the red disc. But let me get this major part taken care of first. Alright, now I'm going to switch over to the red disc to finish off the grinding. Grinder slipped off right here, so I'm going to have to sand this out too when I get to the sanding. It's pretty common when you're trying to grind in here between the lip of the wheel and the tire. It'll catch the tire and just shoot your grinder off in whatever direction. Alright, now we're going to switch over to the sander with the 320 grit. I should change sanding discs, but I don't want to because when you are trying to get in between the tire and the wheel, that's what tears up the sandpaper. So I'm just going to finish this wheel with this pad and then throw it away. little peeling in the factory finish right here. We got to sand that down until we get that out. And we'll sand here where the grinder slipped. All right, so that sanding took a little longer because this disc is pretty worn out. But if I would have put a new one on, we'd be throwing that one away after this wheel anyway, so. Now we'll go ahead and scuff this with the 1500 grit scuff pad. You need to scuff everywhere you're going to paint because this does help give the paint something to stick to. All right, we're going with the Sonic Silver paint. That's the heaviest flake silver paint that I have. It is linked in the description below, along with all the other paints that I use and all the other tools and products that I use. We'll go ahead and finish this off with the clear coat.